Are we live yet? Hello everyone. Hello Mr. Johnny.
Bitluni is now live, streaming less than no name greater than casual making.
Still need to connect the headphones, but we're almost there. Here. As you can see, I had just a nap. That's why my hair is always bad. It's always bad hair day. Maybe I should have an energy drink. We will grab a booster in a minute. But hello, it's an unannounced stream. Yeah, surprising Sunday stream today. And yeah, because we had assembled this year last Wednesday, and we figured out, oh yeah, these crystals aren't the correct ones. YT chat not working? Why not? Oh, it is, yes. Hey DFGA. It's just not many people here for now, but they will join. So a quick recap. We have the new boards here. Hello Hexadecimal. Welcome. Yeah, new boards arrived that we designed with Altium. First test here. This is the boards, quite dense, and this is basically not only come on, yeah. Look how dense it is. I wanted the MCUs and the LEDs to be equidistant, square, or arranged. So if we have like the rows copied, that they are basically equidistant from each other. Not like if it's mirrored, then we have like a big gap, small gap, big gap, small gap, or whatever. That makes the boards like quite dense on one side, because we had like to squeeze in a crystal. And last time we assembled in a really bad way, assembled this board here, because I thought I have like 5 crystals. I can do it already. I can run the test before I receive the parts from China that were stuck, from LCC that were stuck in Hong Kong. Now and then we figured out, oh, that's not the right crystals. It's 12 megahertz and not 32 megahertz, which was a bummer, because that wouldn't like start. The blades are not double-sided, the FGA. That wouldn't work, because yeah, we have the power run on the other side. You can see the vertical strips. That's like 2 different power lines, LED and VCC for the little MCUs, also the programming pins, and it might not even fit physically, because if we have like yeah, also assembly on both sides would be really difficult for me. And I'm not sure, probably not for the assembly house, but yeah, I didn't want them to be double-sided. Maybe I should have done it like that. It would be like way more difficult to assemble a blade then. Anyways, 6-sided board. No, it would be physically impossible. I would have like to do 8-layer boards or something in that case, to squeeze even more with this layout of the bus, squeeze more where's the power, more boards on that. Anyways, let me show you the result. It didn't work, and we even had like a little problem programming the bigger one, but I think it was just an issue like having a good connection with the pads, because I added after the stream I added the header with some wires, and it's working fine. I was able to program that, so maybe I will show it. Did I set six-sided? No, it is 6-layer. I would need to do 8 layers in that case. It raises the price exponentially, so not really worth it. And that's and it is way better that we. Is it way better? I don't know. I have no clue whatsoever. That's the thing that we learned. That I have no clue. Wait, let me add one more wire so we will be able to power the LED as well. And show the result for now. That looks good. We can run the LEDs from 5 volts. The 1K resistor is plenty enough, I think. Since they aren't all square, what do you... Now I'm confused what we're all talking about. Square. It's not square, rectangular, like the arrangement. It's the spacing is 5.4 millimeters to 60 millimeters distance of the LEDs on the final board. Cuboid. All right, here. Let's see. Maybe even it shows something. Yeah. All right. Here we go. This is. I received the FedEx. FedEx arrived on Friday, not Thursday, even though they stated it would be Thursday. And I replaced one of the crystals, and it actually works. No problems whatsoever. I don't know, maybe I need to like change pins or whatever because I don't see this LED light up from the main MCU, or did I not program it? Maybe I only tested reading, writing. Anyways, that works, and I thought, alright, then let's populate a new board. Let's leave that board. We have like 6 boards here, 6 PCBs that I can populate. So let's leave that one, because the paste job on that was terrible. So I populate a new one, which I did like even a worse paste job. I had way too much paste, and I thought, okay, I don't put on the LEDs and the crystals on yet, because otherwise I can't rework the QFN chips. So I wanted to I reflowed with the QFNs and wanted to add the crystals and the LEDs later with hot plate. Hey Casper! You have notifications turned on, don't you, Casper? Do you have your tea ready? Welcome. Anyways, I populated the MCUs and fixed all the bridges in between, and then started to Right. Then I started to populate the crystals. You know what the worst part is about the crystals that came with FedEx from Mauser? I ordered only 30 crystals because I thought I have like, oh yeah, I still have 5 of those. Turns out the 5 were, hey Rohan. Um, so I thought, yeah, I have like 5 of the crystals already here, so I need like, I ordered another 30, so I have some spares. Turns out the ones that I had here were not 32 megahertz, so even that, in that case, we can't populate the whole board with the crystals, but I will just leave the 3 last because I used 1 crystal here. 3 last, I will leave the crystal off for now, but we can work with that board today. So the goal for today will be to basically populate whatever we have there and fix the issues. This one already has an issue with one MCU that I wasn't able to program of those who have a crystal, but I think it's an issue with the crystal which is not sitting on well, and one LED has a short or something with the green. So I will just plug it in and show you the results so far. Yeah, here we go. This is how it looks like. You can see like the first MCU doesn't light up, and this one has a steady toggle. Yeah. So and also when I put on these here, the crystals, there is. Hey Sonic. It turns out I have way too much solder on the pads of the crystal, so we will wipe off the pads slightly, so we have a lower amount of solder on there. Fix, hey Servus, Holy Flame. Fix the first one and the LED. I don't know what's wrong with the LED there. Why the green is steady, and then populate the rest, and then we can start doing some code maybe, but let's start with the basics, populating this board and then testing if if we can the setup a stream, communication stream, SPI between the main MCU and the little ones. Let's go for today. And then we can even port maybe the ray tracer or ray marcher that we did for the other cluster, for this one, port to this version and see what kind of performance we get here. We also need, since this board doesn't have USB, we need like to do like use another, sorry, use another board with USB with hey Foo, thank you for the super sticker. We take another board and use the SPI, so we have like the 2 levels of SPI actually, and then USB, so we can like transfer the pixels or whatever we do there. Oh, the FJ. Hi Foo, thank you. DFJ, I think it should be enough. The 3.3 line is quite weak on that programmer. I hope it will be sufficient, because I mean we can always power it from the dev port in the end. Yeah, we just take that. We have okay, the 3.3. volt power supply isn't much bigger, but we need 300. Ooh, thank you very much. Why don't I see like, oh yeah, that's not Twitch, but we can hear the super sticker in the voice and the TTS. Hey, shameless spam suit, whatever. Let's spam. Yes, here we go. Whoever can deny. Yeah, that was spam. All right. Yeah. So let's start. I will move to the microscope. I probably need to reset that. Yeah. Here you can see nothing. Here we go. You know what? I will show you the nice blinky here for a minute before I return with the booster, because I need some boosting. Be right back. Alright, here's the booster, my friends. Oh, it's ice cold. Yeah, turbo. We push the turbo button on the 386. Out of sync, the clock difference? What clock difference? They're not out of sync. The one on the bottom. I mean, they have like only the startup time is different, but the bottom right. It might just be delayed. It should be all right, all around 32 megahertz crystal clock. So, or I don't know. Startup time can be different before they basically start resonating, whatever. Hey, Tixel Geek. So, alright. Let's check out. I think my lens on this microscope might be a little bit dusty or whatever from reworking. Okay. It's weird. Why is that one always on? Let me power down and we can see. Okay, wait a second. Face is changing. Yeah, you think, but can you prove it to me? Oh. Yeah, I'm off. Yeah, there's a bridge. Do you see that? There's way too much solder on that. Alright, so that bridge is basically what causes it to light up. It might be even bridging. Wait, you know what? Doesn't it bridge to the crystal? No way. No, it's not one of the crystal. It is one of the crystal pins. That's weird. Oh. No, something is... Okay. Let's fix that. I need to lower the microscope slightly. Okay. Oh shit, no. That's the wrong cartridge. I don't think that might be like an important pin. I'm not sure. Yeah. Let's heat it up. Yeah. Let's see if that was the issue. Otherwise, I don't see anything. Let's plug it in. Yeah, that was the issue. Look at that. Funky. Okay, one thing solved. Now, this one wouldn't be programmable. So let's see why. I think because that ground pad has no connection here. Yeah, let me get some. I don't want to use too much flux because that causes a lot of fumes here. Let me grab some of the. No, need more. I try to use. Oh, there is so much residue from. Yeah, I detached. Oh no, I wanted to grab some excess solder here. Yeah, but this solder doesn't want to stick to my soldering iron. You see that issue? It's not working. So weird. How do we do? You know what? I will put the soldering iron to 400 degrees. Obviously I can't use it with the LEDs, but I will try to clean iron. Yeah, I try to. I will try to fix that tip with putting it to 400 degrees C and maybe some good solder here. I have some silver solder here. That's with some silver. So let's see if we can. Look at that, how that sticks. Yeah, look at that. There is some severe oxidation or whatever going on the tip. Now we're talking. Still. Maybe my sponge is so dirty. Fuck. Sorry. The sponge is also so dirty. I tried to turn it around and now I put every soda balls everywhere here. I found a stray resistor. Oh shit. That's what. Shouldn't touch. Okay, now I will go down with the temperature down to 300 and see what happens. Let's see. Plumbing flux. That looks good. That looks promising. I might even have plumbing flux here. Okay. Not sure. Get that soda away. Okay, sometimes I just yeah, looks better. Yeah. Yeah, there is, the surface tension is much stronger than what I'm able to do here. Alright. Yeah, we wanted to fix that one here. Can I get some soda on here? Let me collect some soda from the pads because we have way too much soda on here. No, this soda is not sticky. Look at that. How do I get that off without getting it all off? I don't want really to wick it off, because then I have nothing left on there. So if I put some wick on there, they really love the inic. The wick isn't hot enough. Yeah, now it's gone. Oh, so this is probably a ground pattern. Yeah, this one doesn't have enough soda, not sure. Some of those have too much, some of them don't have enough. Okay, that looks better, this one. Yeah, this is the ground. Yeah, I think we will do it on the fly. Here's some soda ball. Yeah, but how do we fix that one? I think I will just use my high temp soda here. Let's see what happens. Yeah. wait for it. Okay. Do we want to try to power it up or program it? Let's do it. Okay, let's plug it in. Or is it now? It might be too hot still. Oh, you showed the metal case? Interesting. It looks like this metal case doesn't want like to take the solder really. All right. Yeah, I want here this code. Oh, this code, and I want to download it. All right. Let me take it over here. And I think failed. Yep, this doesn't work. This one still doesn't work. Okay, so it might not be that, or we need like a more convincing method. So let me get hot air and try to heat this up, but this will be quite difficult because we have like a lot of thermal mass there. I'm not sure, it might be even like the main MCU, which is the problem, not the crystal. Let's put on plenty of soda paste there. I mean, not soda paste, flux. No, it's not bridged. There's nothing bridged here. I mean, you mean this one? No, that's just some gunk. Yeah, this soda is melted, but the new one doesn't melt. Try. Can I move that one? No, there is space between the mat. No worries. I have pins on that one, so it isn't like laying flat on the mat. Oh, come on. Oh wait, I just heated up the wrong one. Here. Come on. I don't want to work with like hot plate and hot air at the same time. So finicky. It was bad to use like the other solder here. Yeah. I hope it doesn't. So it's solidified. Damn. Can't really see what's happening on the other side though. Yeah, look at that. All right. What's with that one? These are crystals. Alright, I squeeze it on there. And hope we have... No, that's what we tried with the previous boards, sharing the clock. In that case, it's not possible. This one doesn't have like a clock override, like a bypass mode, I mean. So that was my mistake, that's why we are on board version number 2. It's very unfortunate. But I have already, did I show you, I think that should be alright. Did I show you the new MCUs? So I might have like another revision of these boards working on in parallel. So look at these ICs here. This is the IC number 596 a QFN, and they don't need crystal. They have twice the SRAM, same price, and they don't need a crystal. And there's a version with more pins in, but this is just temporary. 595, yeah, is the goal, the target, and I want the 595D, and these are pin compatible. It's just a bigger brother with same specs, same pins. Internal, but only 80 megahertz, not 100 top clock. The issue is the CH 570 has 100 megahertz, but it doesn't have like the flash. It's like an extra die in that, so it's quite it's serial, so it's quite slow if you don't run the code from SRAM. So you need like to put all the code in SRAM to be able to achieve that speed. That's what I will do in the end, basically, so I can use this IC. And these ICs are basically, these are fresh. They run top clock is slightly slower, but more RAM, and they run fast from flash. So might be worth. Yeah, this is just new. You can purchase them yet. And they are announced in China, but not in on the international side yet, I think. All right. Let's test again. Is it still running? Okay, it's turning on. Now let me try program it. I hope we figured the issues out here. Otherwise I will move on and try to figure it out later. No, still not. Yeah, dealer. I have no clue why this doesn't work. Come on. Nope. Let me check again if I got the right pin. Hey Jesse Harry. Oh, thank you, Cosine. Hello. Thank you for the resub. Okay, which one is it? Yeah. That was a long time ago, Jesse. Yeah, but I did. So, what's the question? Can't get it. Oh, they have like tools. You should check out the. There is a tool where you can basically simulate VGA even. Like you can get VGA directly out of the IC. Yeah, you should be able to do it in a few days. Really. Check out the website, they have like tools where you can play around. Yes, VGA Playground. That should be alright. Okay, it still doesn't work. I will try to reflow it then. Not sure why it's not talking to us. Let's do more crystals then, and then see if we can fix it later when we have the hot plate on. Or yeah, we can hot plate it in a minute. I don't see the issue. I squeezed. There's no bridge. Fool, why should you be muted? You're not muted. What's going on? You're not. Why should be muted? Yeah. It's like they have several different types even. If you compare the Bluetooth variants of the RISC-V, like the peripherals, they work way different to the ones from the CH32V MCUs. Alright, I will turn that on. Try 200 degrees, that should be I'll try to get it off and see what's happening there. Still wrong tweezers. I need more tweezers. Maybe I will order a new set of tweezers because These are quite worn, sometimes sticky and whatnot. Really, these were one of my favorite tweezers. Oh shit. What did I do? I bumped it, now everything is broken. Okay. No solder bridges, fortunately. Okay. I wanted to squeeze that one. How do we get... Okay, I can fix that, I just need to get... Oh, really? Bastards. Oh, really? Titanium tweezers? Okay. Oh, fool. Okay. Oh man, I regret I put this soda on there. Look at that. Why? Why should I stop? I need to get this one working. Here. Okay, we'll remove the bridges later. Now, let me try. Where are my new crystals? Here. No, these are the new crystals. Okay, Dutch. No! Just shorted pads there. I need to get my second power supply so I can use both at the same time. Oh. So weird. The crystal always falls on the wrong side if I drop it on my table. Seems like the quartz is quite heavy one. Yeah, it's painful but necessary. shit. Yeah, pixel pump, but it's so, everything is so tiny. I need flux here. Free energy device with crystals, that sounds... Here. Oh yeah, you like cat? It's always falling on the feet. I know. By the way, my parts are not stuck in Hong Kong anymore. They're actually in Luxembourg, Netherlands, and in Belgium. One of those arrived already yesterday. I will show you the contents in a minute. Let's put on the crystals first. With the crystals on, we can test what is working already. Soda ball. Yeah, I don't want to squeeze it out. I think we have like connection between all the pads. I will leave it like that. Oh, it's so sticky. What do you want to use? Sorry, I missed that part. That looks good. Ceramic what? Ceramic what? Chips. Capacitor. It depends on what. Yeah, electrolytic for the high capacitance, I believe. So maybe the engineers in the chat will resolve that. So what's the difference between electrolytics and ceramics? Are there any? And now this one is tipping over. Oh, come on. I don't also want to stick. Oh yeah, that's the issue also. Now it's getting hot on this side. I might want to turn it around. Oh, and be careful if everything is like still molten, I might just bump the board and everything falls off, and then we can start all over again. for the reference of size here, the crystals are 2 millimeters by 1, yeah, basically 2 by 1.6 millimeters, so it's quite tiny, even though it might look big on the screen. This is very delicate, and trying to have a steady hand here to drop it perfectly while watching through the... Yeah, they're really tiny. Look, this is my finger, so having a steady hand here. Okay, I will leave off the last 5 because we don't have enough. And zero cut, what? 0402. Yes, these are 0402 passives. They have also no markings, as you probably noticed. Oh, come on. Now everything is stubborn and I don't have space. Damn it. One resistor that's not straight? Where? Where is the resistor? Yeah, I need to throw my tweezers away also again quite soon, because I have some that are sticky and bent and whatnot. Shit. Ah! Okay. Now the tape. We have already the paste on there, so titanium, blue titanium. I'm intrigued. Let me buy some of those. I want some titanium tweezers of Ali as well. That one is good, I believe. Shit. We are almost done, peeps. And then we will start over with the LEDs. Okay. Tape down the tape so I don't okay. 5, okay. I hope that someday I will find the resistor you have mentioned before. Okay, let's wait a second. That needs to heat up first. It's weird, the action of releasing the pedal lets my shake my hand, because like coordination, concentration is broken on my hand coordination. Okay, I think got that one. I have a foot pedal. That was coincidence. Huh? I have 2 more! Nice. Okay. I have 2 more crystals. Shit, they both just dropped. Alright. So if you're triggered by OCD stuff, then the writing on the crystals are sometimes this way around, sometimes the other way around. Don't let you get you triggered by that. Okay, so where's the resistor you were talking about? Resistor. This cap is slightly tilted. Resistor. I don't see a resistor here. Ball. That one is huge. That will be weird, I believe, but I hope we're still in good. Okay. Okay. That was hot. Let it cool down for a minute. Let me grab a second power delivery supply so I can use the hot plate and the soldering iron at the same time. Let me turn off the power, the thing. Let's fix the bridges here first. That's alright. Just need to move it. You know what? I should try to move around the sawdust slightly so we have maybe a missed connection here. Crush and burn. Oh. Yes. I might have an issue there. I hope not. Okay. There is a bridge. There is a bridge. How didn't I miss that one? Yeah, Tony's still there. She will hear my scream. When I fall down the stairs. Alright. Do you see any severe bridging? Yeah, there is some bridges. Or at least it looks like it might be a bridge. Yeah. We are working on the upper. Yeah, QFNs are really good. Here is more solar bridges. If there is a soda bridge, we call it Jeff, okay? Good flux? No clue. I'm using the cheap stuff here. Oh shit, I just touched my plastic light here. You caught one? Where? Where is Jeff? Find Jeff. Oh, you got the stream. Hey, orange. Well, I can't read from here. Welcome to the stream. And welcome to all lurkers who don't like to write and just enjoy watching it. You can go to https bitluni.net/chat/html, then you will have the on-screen chat and you can click the button to get text-to-speech for all the stuff if you're doing other stuff while listening to what we do here. Top right, bottom edge of the one on the top right. Bottom edge on the one on the top right. What do you mean here? It's probably delayed, so we have missed the one near the end. Like the glossiness of the flux might also that isn't a short here, it's just glossy here. Hey, the sheeple. Oh, we have a resub. Johnny, thank you. As soon as we don't have any obvious solder bridges anymore, and I will try to get where was like, oh yeah, I wanted to remove this big chunker. Yeah, big solder balls. Now we'll try to program. Oh, that looks like a bridge here. Oh no, I just ripped off my link here. I have to reattach it in a second. Oh really? I have no clue why it's blank. It shouldn't be. What kind of browser are you using? Might be not. It's WebSocket based. Yeah. We need some WebSocket. Johnny, thank you! Excavator fund? Oh, I need to. Oh, yeah. Excavator fund embezzlement detected. Now we will after this project we will tackle the purchase of. We might even try, because I got a person I meet on the embedded world. I meet Stuart, and Stuart has a person in China who might be able to help me with the purchase. Weird noise, TTS, weird noises. Let me try. I don't know if this is actually a bridge or not. It looks like one, and I try like to get off the solder there, but it's like next to the LED, so I can't get in there. Shit. Still bridge. Oh, it's gone. Okay, bridge is gone. Nice. Just poking around helps sometimes. That's why I don't want the LEDs. I'll put them. I put it. That's basically a very small wire. Now you have the relation. It's like a multi-strand wire. Relation of like the size reference. Okay, let's just power it on and see. Embezzlement? No embezzlement happening here. Dutch. So, Stuart will okay. Thick accent. Creepy. Yeah, you can change the language setting. That's why. All right. I will try to hook it up. Wait a second. All right. Let's hook up that again. So I need ground. That's 5 volts. That's okay. Let's do that. Let's see if it's blowing up. All right. It's still powering. Okay, let's try to program it then. Okay, which one? Pogo pin, download. Wait. We try to program. Not sure if it. Let me try one that we already have working here. So we know. Let me remove one of the pins. Thank you, Ioni Dev. Oh, that's very slow. Yeah, we have some. Okay. Oh shit. I pulled off. Clamp it here. That's LEDs. I like the default shouldn't be that bad. I'm wondering why. Okay, we know that these ones here work, so let me try to program that. The hair. We can program anything right now with that one. Okay, stop complaining if you don't like it. I otherwise I can't distinguish the languages or the people if I don't have if I don't have like any distinction between the people. And we have, hey TMK. So somehow this doesn't work really good right now, the programming. I don't know why. What's the issue here? So I can't even program the ones that I have already programmed before. You know what? Let me turn off the LED power and try without like the noise that we get there, because we have like a long ground ground path here. Okay, let's try. Nope. Nope. Huh? So weird. Hey Danny, greetings to Ukraine. Hey? Okay, let me check with that thing if we can. Wait, that's the wrong MCU 570. Program code protect disable, yeah. How do you fix it? Linky connects, but that doesn't connect. Okay, I will try another Linky because this is like really confusing right now. Sometimes I have the issue with the Linky. Wait a second. Yeah, Linky has some modes. Not sure if I did something wrong there. Someone's writing me, I can't put it on screen right now. So this was the one. I might also work with dodgy pins here. Okay, let's turn this off. Ground and 3.3 volts. That's 3.3. Oh, wrong board. Oh, we can also test using the oscilloscope. That's easier probably. 3.3. Oh yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, I would have missed that. Thank you. That's really cool. Alright, I think I will try this one. But I'm not sure if we need like to change the mode then. Okay. Linky is connected. Doesn't support this function. It's so weird. Okay. Where do open firmware targets? I know one. I used this linky for the 303, which worked. That didn't work with the other one. I think it does that automatically. I'm not seeing like it basically tests it and sees what's happening. If you know a way to force one wire mode, then okay. Mode button. Disable two-line interface. Programming case. We found out that if it will two-wire. Yeah, but debugger target modes. Risk V. Couldn't be okay. You know what? I will get. Button or the programmer PCB? Oh, how do I reach that? Oh, that's weird. I can't reach that here. How do you reach that? You're right, there is a button. So probably that one is for two-wire, but let's get this one again. 3.3. This I hate how flimsy that feels. Let me squeeze that stupid DuPont thing to try getting it more. I should just throw away every flimsy. This one is also quite flimsy. Oh, you don't know how? Yeah, so I should be. Yeah, no, I just throw this one away. Life is too short to use bad DuPont wires. Right, that's. Where's my box with the other ones? Take a white one here. No, let's take this one. Here. Yeah, it's more firm. The needle. And we have 3.3 volts. Ground. Also squeeze that one. It's like, oh shit. Might have squeezed it too much. Yeah. It's completely mangled. I hope it works. Anyways, okay. Let's give it a last try. It's weird that we don't get let me... Oh. What was... Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Yeah, this one is mangled. Let's throw it away. Next one. New one. Hey, Quindor! Your tweezers made the round here in the chat. The titanium ones. And you missed the opportunity to drop an affiliate link. Yeah, I need some good tweezers as well. New set of tweezers. Right, let's try. Okay, they're showing up. Now let's try to queer. Now it works, huh? All right, peeps. Let's try to program the one that didn't like to work before. Still doesn't. Doesn't. I will use an oscilloscope. I need to see which one works. Yeah, no. That doesn't query. That would be so odd. Okay, these two should work since they are running. Yes. 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 So program it already. It's able to query them, but not able to write. What's going on? I missed something. Wait. Yeah, it's... Query chip. But this is the configuration that I'm using. So it's weird. Yeah, please check type. This is all succeeding. Failed. And the options under debugger mode. Yeah, that's only ARM on RISC-V. Don't worry about that. It's weird. Wait, didn't we change the address before? That should be 0. Yeah, that's the issue again. Oh no. Okay, let me fix that. So we needed to go. We needed to go to where is it? The project. Anyone remembers that? Sorry, something come up here. All right, that was code example. PWMX, where is it? No, wait. That's the wrong one. Where is it? Let's see. Here. Examples. WMX. Settings. I take you off screen. Language Eclipse. Sorry, I need to. Where was the setting? Anyone remembers what? Where the settings were for this project? On River Studio workspace, maybe, I'm not sure. Workspace. No. Project, maybe. Casual goal is to make this bot work, but I need to find. Oh yeah, here it is. It's weird. Okay, so the address is still this one here, but not in have I used the wrong project? No, this should be that. Let me close the project and reopen it again. Let's see, yeah, okay. Let's close it without saving, and now let's try to program it. Now it works. Oh, come on. Okay, now let's try to program each of those. The first one still doesn't work. The one that we reworked. I need to redo that one. Oh, it's so hard to do that all here. That are 32 MCUs on this test board, so it's only one row. Okay, let's try again. Let's go one by one. Huh? Did it break again? No, that one works. That one works, okay. Yeah, I might need a jig. Okay. Yeah, I know. It seems when I squeeze the pogo pin completely in, it doesn't work that well. Okay. So let's be gentle. We might have like a full row except for the first one. Yeah, it looks promising. Oh, that's working really good right now. Nah, last one. Oh yeah, we have the last three not populated. Yeah. Last three not populated. Let's try the first one again. Oh, we got the first one programmed. Oh, it's the pogo pin. Shouldn't squeeze it too much. Oh, touching with the hand, yeah, might be also an issue. Oh yeah, I got this one before. Okay, I don't want to overwrite those. Okay, that works. 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 That doesn't work. It works. Okay. I can change it, but I think slowing down might be more issues. Okay, this one doesn't work. I don't want to change anything about the settings right now because that doesn't work. Okay, so it's one that didn't work so far. How do I mark it though? I need to give it a scratch so I know. Yeah, I have a marking. The one that didn't work. That one also stubborn. And that one also stubborn. That's slightly irritating. Okay, so we get some stubbornness from this one. And this one. Okay. Now I will check. Oh, look at that. And one has some issues though. I'm not sure if it's... That might be restarting. Show you. Okay, that's a... was wird gebaut? We are building a test piece of our mega cluster. And that one is boot loop or something is off. Looks weird though. Let me power it off and on to see. That one also has some issues. Not sure if the power is dropping because it's echo mode. Do I have a different power source? Yeah, I think I have. I can use different power source, like just a dev board here. That's ground. And 3.3 volts, so let's turn that off. Also, bench power supply. Yeah, I don't have the right. I mean, oh wait, you know what? We will shop today because I need the wires like DuPont to bench PSU thing, and the bench PSU doesn't fit well on this desk here. So, yeah. Okay, let's also add 3.3 volts to the LEDs. Yeah, look at that. No power issues anymore. Yeah, so this one actually might be the issue that we are having issue with supplying. So let's do the following. We will use that and try again the ones that failed before. Okay, so we have, because that might be already a low power issue here. So let's not try to supply that, just connect the ground and let's try to program them again. Nope. And the last ones. Yes, that actually worked. The last ones are working. We have only one. Yeah. We have only one that doesn't work. That probably has a solder bridge. So I will check that out. And I will see where this gets us. Yeah, let's turn that off and see. Oh, now I have a lot of stuff dangling from that. Maybe I will just leave that linky here. Okay, so one didn't work. Let's switch to microscope again. Here we have the marking is here. So this one is stubborn. Don't see anything obvious yet, but we can try to what's this? Yeah, this is the one. I should put the marking on here as well. So let me scratch. I already lost it. Here. That's the marking. Probably not the crystal. We had quite a good connection of that. I will check if there is something going on in the back of that. We'll try to move it around slightly. Is there coming any? Do I get any air out of that? Give me slightly more. Don't want to blow away anything, because that will be hard to... Yeah, I will probably not be able to do that. Alright, so let me grab the miniware. Heat it up. And see if we can make it work somehow. And if when this one works, then we can do again the thing that we did with the crystals, just with the LEDs. I think I got this. Yeah. We remove the heat. Oh shit. Was still warm. Oh, I got it all off. Nice. Alright. Let's try programming it. I hope this will be the last thing. The last thing that I need to assemble for that. I mean, I will assemble the main carrier board of the for the blades. I will show you the things in a minute. I need to wait for it to cool down a little bit. Acceptable range. Where's the marking? Here. Let's see. Yes, it programmed. Okay, nice. Now let's populate the LEDs and then the last three. I need to. What? DFGA? So tuning an antenna with a curved monitor works like a parabolic parabolic reflector. Hey Thomas, so you basically made like a satellite dish or something. I thought, oh yes, my transmission is so good, and then it was just your screen. You need to, you know what? There is a basic solution. You need to sell the screen with your device. How about that? There are problems and there are solutions, and this is one I offer you. Looked nice and tuned until I stood. That's cool. Oh, amazing. That's a cool story. A cool story from engineering. Wow. A big owl, that's for your drone. Oh, that's cool. You know what? Witchcraft. Yeah. You basically. I stood up and the antenna was effed up, yeah. That's weird. That's weird. So you basically need a Faraday cage around that, which is oddly shaped, like spiky Faraday cage, with like metal spikes going in that direction. And then you have a room that's basically RF proof. Oh, like in the movie Enemy of State. You know that? It's an amazing 90s movie. Mwah! Loved it. A good watch. Alright, yeah. We're done with that for now. Now we put on the LEDs, and I can't remember which way around the went. I think I need to put on the... No windows in your new house that you're planning. that sounds cozy. Live satellite view, yeah. That was cool. Like the theme that you never look up because you're watched from the space, that was cool. What's the actor's name again? The dude that was like the spy. No, the other one, not Will Smith. Will Smith actually that was a role where he, I mean, he always plays Will Smith, so but yeah, you checking the interwebs. Unfortunately, he died already, the actor. He was quite old already back then, and I think he had some sort of oh, it was like quite sad. Yeah, Gene Hackman. And Gene Hackman, unfortunately, he had Alzheimer's disease or something, and he died with his wife. They were like found dead in the house like last year or year before, so it quite sad of an end to an Oscar not nominated or Oscar awarded actor. Really sad. It was like a mystery because basically they were living remote and they were just found dead or something, and nobody knew if it's like crime scene or whatever, and I don't know the details. Maybe someone can check that, but it was a weird story. Yes, spy satellites might be better than what we see on Google Earth. Oh shit. Who joined? Z80, hello. You're in for some... Oh shit, this is hot. Why did this... Hey Fu, thank you for the super sticker. Yeah, I turn it down to 188 degrees. We don't need like 250. Oh, it was a gated community? Okay. Oh shit, I just dropped all the LEDs because I bumped my dispenser. Okay. Okay, I hope I don't cause new issues. That bed doesn't look like it's heating up. Oh shit. Is that the right way around? Yeah, looks like it. Any new good movies? Since we are talking about movies again. I'm looking forward to Project Hail Mary. But yeah, when I went to Avatar in cinema, they dropped the trailer on me, and I really don't want to see that. That's so bad. People who don't know the story yet, they get basically spoiled. If it's if the movie is as good as Martian, then we are in for a treat. And there are some more sci-fi movies coming in, like Mandalorian and Grogu. I'm not like a Star Wars super fan, but I love that show. So probably the Martian is your top? Yeah, mine is. Oh yeah, I had to rewatch it. 1984 is quite good right now to watch. Jedi Survivor, what is that? Is that a... Shit, the board. You know what, I need to... I might want to drop some flux on there in a minute so it will reposition. But pixel pump, somehow the LEDs are easier to place than the crystals. It's weird. Look at that, that's like so easy to place. Uh-oh. Yeah. You know what, I will... Al Pacino, which movie? Yeah, that's quite dry over there. Okay, now we need to turn it around because these are 180 degrees. Justice for all. Oh shit. Ah! Oh fuck. Sorry. The board is so hot. I'm holding it by the DuPont wire, so... to place the LEDs. I want to place them hot, so we have some connection already. And then I will just put some flux on. No. Yeah, it's 130 degrees C solder, so it's way less like violent with everything. Less fumes, less everything. It should be sufficient for my needs. It's a little bit reluctant with my soldering iron, as we saw. But yeah, I need to get this readjusted with the flux. No, it's same solder. They are currently all loose. Need to be really careful to not drop it, bump it, whatever. But I should have. I have like two different low temp solder, like 130 and 160 degrees C. Also the high temp solders. Yeah, I took it. That's the worst that could happen. So the ones without the crystal, I still populate them. See, once we have like a little bit of flux, it adjusts instantly. Let's see how this one adjusts. Does it? Yes. This one? Whoop! Easy. Magic. Whoop! It's a good sign if it's like square in the end. So it means that all pads are connected. This one also, look at that. While it's heating up, look at that. We will check with those here. Look how janky they are. Now solder is heating up. And let's see. 1, 2, 3. Whoop! Oh, we missed one. There's one too. Okay, let's get the last one that I missed. Yeah, that's the cheapest flux. Let's see. Whoop whoop. Yeah, that works. Nice. Oh, this one is a little bit off. That went sideways. Here. We're back in the game. Okay, now let's try the other side. Yeah, it's cool, huh? Low temp flux is a game changer. Oh fuck. Did I touch something down there? I might have. Okay, let's see. We need adjustments here. Oh, is it adjusting? This one. Whoop. This one. Whoop. That's amazing. I love it. This one. Come on, move. I might poke that one. It looks like it might have not connected with pad or something. Here we go. Drop me a link for a good flux then. Like quality flux that doesn't fume, stink or whatever, has good surface tension, whatever, stability, or there is no good flux. Nowhere to be found. Oh fuck. So hot. Working with a hot board. Hard to clean up. Yeah, I have like stains with that one as well. This one? Yeah, you are addicted to flux fumes already. Oh, that's just too much solder underneath. I hope that it makes connection. So let's remove it from the heat. And wait a little before I move it around and destroy it possibly. So what kind of flux do I have here? This is the one that I got off Ali. So RMA 200, 2000. Yeah, I have here. This is the extractor. Let's open the window slightly. Should I put it? Do I risk it to not working? I jinx it if I put it already in cleaning station. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Forest. Let's plug it in and see what happens. If it's combusts or not. Okay, moment of truth. Power up. Huh? Why this? Oh no, this one doesn't work. Here. Did we miss that one? Oh no, wait. Oh no, that's correct. Yeah, we the last three are without the crystal. All of them work now. What? Yes! Yes! Oh, look at that. Shouldn't be phase shift because like the crystals should be quite spot on. The phase shift should be only visible, quite a late. Oh, it's amazing. It's so cool. I think the drift might be. No, that's only one millivolt, 1 milliamp per LED. So and 10 milli. All right, perfect. I'm happy. Amazing. Thank you for the follow. Okay, that's a success for today. I will clean it up, and I think we might even call it a day for today. It's Sunday. We will just do some shopping and continue with code on Wednesday. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Fu, if you're still Mormon, hello. Live. I missed all the people that joined. I only hearing. I also can leave the room, which is so fumed right now. Even with the extractor, some fumes are getting around. All right, let me put that in the cleaning station. And oh, you. Hey, this sun get. Northwest Repair. Black Horse Repair. Is this his own brand, or what kind of flux is that? Okay, we will shop. Yeah, I want like first-hand experience flux. Let's do AliExpress shopping or whatever shopping. I'm willing to spend serious money. With serious, I mean like $10 for for a cartridge. Okay, now I can turn off the noise now. I should also clean my hands somehow. I have probably flux on there. I need to flux my throat with Booster here. Not sponsored. Booster Company, Veritas Vertriebsgesellschaft Hamburg. Contact me, send me like a palette of boosters, and you will get more. No worries, energy drinks don't work with me. I can sleep even better. For the Serious Money Fund. Thank you very much, Johnny. Hey, Aliera Zamohen. Oh, what your Twitch names are so difficult. Hello, X. I drink them. Yeah, you're right. I mean, I like the taste. That's it. It's a placebo energy drink. I believe it works on parts of my body, but it works a different way on my brain because like I'm neurotypical or whatever. So I guess it doesn't. I can also sleep with coffee in my system, so I can drink coffee, and then I totally can relax and fall asleep immediately. Yeah, from Red Bull as well, Sonic. Yeah, you have like the 300 Red Bulls next to you. That's how it weirdly works. Yeah, especially Red Bull. Yeah, that's taurine. It's the same ingredient. Here. Neuroatypical. Yes, neuroatypical. Sorry. Yeah, taurine is basically the ingredient with Red Bull as well. Like the taste, and I also like zero sugar. Even though like that contradicts the energy drink things, like getting sugar in your system, I probably get more excited from the sugar than from the taurine in that case. It's like with Ritanol. So like the ADHD kids will get Ritanol, which is basically speed to get like relaxed or whatever, or concentrate on something. That's same with me probably, but I never too much caffeine. How's the 80? So we have all people who work on caffeine, like who can function like a normal person after applying some taurine. All right. Now, okay, let me shortly get the link from Taurus here. Thank you for that. Visit site. All right. Oh, titanium tweezers. Peeps. Ooh. Wow, that looks astonishing. Oh, yeah. Oh, here. Get a link. I got those. You get some links. So these are straight ones and these are the angled ones. I think I like... Okay, add to cart. Yeah? Should I get two? Yeah, I can get two of those. Okay. Quindo trees. Should we get straight ones as well? Oh, they get like even aligned with this alignment pins. That's cool. Ooh, fancy. Yeah, let me get those as well. Aww. Unusual traffic. Curved. I don't mind using, I mean, curved. Is there a use for, like, if you want to grab the component from the side, then you have like a QFN and you grab it not from the top, like from the side. Okay, then you have like tipping points. Not sure. I think I might have a use. I will just get them so I have like both, one replacement. Yeah. Okay, I think I'll give it another round here. I hope the ultrasonic doesn't kill my crystals. What else? Flux. What was the flux that we wanted to? High quality, best quality flux. Here we go. No, even better, rare. Here we go. Let's take the first one then. Oh no, that's a flux pen. But the flux pens are quite good because they have like the acid. So, oh, we need to restore also. And not good, don't go together. Okay, DFGA. Did you drop a link or anything? Do we have like a recommendation? What is this? Solder iron tip cleaner. Let's see that. Oh, retinning. That looks interesting. Refresher. It has probably I have like some of those sponges. I might need to get fresh ones. Oh no, what can... Oh yeah, sorry. I will... can watch my hand. Like for the hand lovers out there. Okay, so what kind of... we want to refresh our... your links... oh, but you're mechanic nanoflux on AliExpress. Okay, let's do a fresh window then. What? Eddie, where are you from? Mechanic nanoflux. Okay. So what is 4.9? Works okay. India, oh yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I think 2 pieces. The difference is yeah, add this to cart. We get some nanoflux there. Yeah, we need to turn off all inconveniences in this lab. Let's turn it off. Let's get everything here. Okay, let's get... Eleshop? Is that the one? Oh wow, 21. Okay, that's serious money. Bernstein, klar. Okay, clear one. 10 grams. Let's try that. Okay, I will put it in the basket and then we will just fix that. That's the price of flux? That's the regular price? Oh yes, desktop PSU, that's passively cooled because I have the issue, I hate noises. Which one is the brand name? Stiri flux, okay. Okay, board is fixed. Oh, looks nice, but I think once it dried, we will see the residue. Might be off there. Looks, oh, that looks pristine. Oh, I missed one LED on the main MCU. All right, but I can do that once the things arrive. So we can turn on. Yeah. Look at that. Looks like no gunk anymore. Missing 3 crystals and 1 LED down there. The crystal. Yeah, looks clean, and now we need ground, VCC and LED. We turn it on so you have a LED view and you can look for phase shifts while we are shopping here. Here we go. Perfect. All right. So let's go on with. Yeah, it is clean. The ultrasonic, you basically. So what I miss, I don't let it heat up for long enough. I need to get it to 50 degrees C before I start basically, or I run like 2 5-minute rounds. So cleaning, okay, 4.7, 4.9, but that looks like the same stuff. Is there like any 510,000 sold and all 4.9? That looks cool. Yeah, I like, just add it to the shopping cart. What is this? Why is it so weird in a glass thing? What's the difference? Yes, let's start with 6 grams then. If it's choice, we don't pay for shipping. Yeah, I need new sponges though. I think my last ones are gone. I might have one somewhere. 4.7, 300. Nah, that's not enough sold. What? Why not? These ones? I'm using them. All right. So, Quindor, what do you have? What do you have? Well, the ones that I have so far, it looked like brass, so I have no complaints with the ones that I bought before. I got them also off Ali. Stano. Oh, yeah, we can. I have magnets. Where are magnets? Magnets. Okay, I have magnets here. These are magnets. Let's see. Oh, you're right. It's magnetic. Uh-oh. That's why my tip doesn't work. Okay. High purity fusion fluxes, flux chemicals, omega, eBay. Oh, that's from US. But I know like 5559 ASM. I have that flux here. I used that before. High purity Catanax. What is that? Alright. Yeah, not shipping from US. Not worth it. Okay, so where do we get a brass? We get it's too big. Okay. Here. Spiralabstreifwolle, Trockenreinigung. Why not give... Yeah, they're shorter. Maybe the affiliate links. Messingschwarm. Spiralwolle. Ersatz Messing Spiralwolle, Abstreif, Typ, whatever. Okay, so I trust Reichelt. That's quality stuff. I will add this to, we can also get a few 13 euros. I mean, if I, that's, oh no, it's not available. Do we have like a different one? What is this? Yeah, Reichelt is trustworthy. It's a like a German electronics supplier, which have been around for ages. I don't see a drift so far, so the crystals are working. Oh, Stenoflux at Reichelt. Flux Steno. You liked my LED tiles matrix? Oh, thank you very much. See, son, get. Steno. What? Can you drop me a Flussmittel? Flussmittel. Maybe I should switch to English. Oh yeah, we have Stanol. Stanol. Na. Ach, Stanol mit Doppel. Sorry. Oops. Stanol. Flussmittel. Oh yeah, that's the pen. Probably I should get a new pen. My old pens dried out because the pens are. Oh yeah, here Lutspitzreiniger. Yeah, I think we will give it. Give Colophonium. Yeah, I don't like Flussmittel, Multiflux, no clean. Flux. Oh, that's $20. What is this one? Oh yeah, that's the one. I think I will get that one. And let's see if we can Stanol Lötwasser. Yeah, well, oh no, that's Colophonium. I don't like that. Okay. Let's oh no, it's not available, the clear one. I don't want like this. It says no clean, but look at the color. That one isn't available. Bad. Okay, let's see, just to have it there. All right. Then we wanted PSU bench multi-channel passive cooling. Fnersi. Lötwasser. I think Lötwasser has like some acid that removes the oxide layer. Alien Tech. Where did you get it from? DFJ Alien Tech. Oh, that looks. Oh, the knife. Oh, the knife solder tip. How fine is it? We need like a micro soldering iron. Okay, wait. So we need to. Okay. Alien Tech. I'm looking. Hot plate from Alien. 140 watts. Yeah, I want something that's passively cooled. I don't want any noise, and it should be like compact, like modern, not like the old chunkers. I have like the old chunker, and should be obviously it should be very stable. Why isn't my YouTube chat not working here? Come on. Oh, here. So weird. Power supply adjustable. Stop this. Hate YouTube chat. Alright. Oh, this one. Okay. How do you power it? Is it convenient or do you need like a power delivery cable? What's a USB power delivery? That's like you pay twice because you need like then a power supply for that. Do you have like something with mains? Oh, you don't have one? Yeah, linear power supply would be nice. You want what you can't get? 1-1. What does it mean? Yeah, that's with the hun. Yeah, that's without this 100 watts EU plug. Let me check, but I'm not sure if I want that. $12 volts, 1 point Conrad, but it's not from. Buy a cheap one so you have like, yes, there will be no worries about that. Yeah, there are fans. I don't like this one. This one, I think they have been like these ones. This is the classic linear one. And there are some that are passively cooled. We just need to. Oh yeah, there is no picture from the back, so you don't know for sure. What? What is the price? Are they crazy? You can get them for like $100. I would also take something like that, maybe. What is? Does it show the backside as well? I just want to be sure there is no fan involved. I want first thing I want is it should be passive, like some passive cooling and stable. Yeah, I don't want like a lot of power. Power delivery and then RD DP100 DP100, which one? DPS. No, I have like my other one for 60 volts. I can use my PSU, the loud one. Which one is that? That doesn't. I for the high voltage and high current stuff, I have like I have another power supply that I can use that's noisy, but I need something for like lower multiple channels and something like up to 12 volts, basically. It's big. Oh nah. If I can like. Konrad. Oh wow, that's lit. Oh, that Voltcraft. But I'm a little bit reluctant about Voltcraft because I had like Voltcraft stuff that broke already. This is weirdo. Alright. Output. Yeah, how this is not digital even. You can't really tell what's the voltage here. You can tell it's somewhere, like it's somewhere around 3 volts. Here. Yeah, sorry. This is not Hochspannung. I don't want, I just want multiple channels. Yeah. No current limit. It just goes DP100. That's the one that you suggested. Why is it tilted though? If they put it like on the front, I can stack multiple of those. But now I've like to have like a stairway to heaven. If I hope that looks not bad. And it's power delivery. Really? Okay. Nice power. SVK, I will try, and welcome to the chat. Okay. Wait. Here, this one. AliExpress. Oh, it's on Ali, okay. Let me try that then. Oh, no! Here. Sorry. Here we go. Is this passively cooled? SVK? I don't like to have fans. Serial parallel. 2-channel and passive. That's cool, but it's quite expensive. Wow, okay. I will mark that with a heart. So I know. Video, I will check that out. But if I buy multiple of those DP100s, then I'm also in that ballpark. So we have serial and parallel output, so 2 channels. Yeah. Whoa, that's high. Oh, all right. Is it like a mains power input? So I would self on the power. So isn't floating? What's floating? What? I have some digital ones here, and for everything until 2 amps, I would use a small linear next to a transformer. No one can easily cool, just whack another linear on it and have our next. One of those. Oh yeah. Wait, but this is. Combine multiple outputs. What? Huh? Why doesn't it show? I need to open this in my other browser. Sold out. No. Shit. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah. I don't need like very sophisticated power delivery brick. Like this one really works well. The ones that we bought also on stream here. I can use it like with 2 devices with my laptop and the Ugreen one. 100 watt Ugreen with 2 PD outputs, USB-C. It's quite compact. It's not like the smallest one. We had like a link here for a single output, which one is a little bit smaller. But I like the form factor, and I can charge basically my phone and run the laptop at the same time. So laptop needs 50 and we have like 100, so plenty spare. I like that one. I can just buy more of those. They're not expensive. Get it off Amazon for 30 bucks or what it was. So that is alright. Oh, 240. I have even like the, look at that. I have even 240 watt cable here. Look at that. It says 240 watts. Baseos from Amazon. But it's quite stiff. Yeah, but it's not new. I bought it already like a few years ago, but it's quite stiff compared to the ones to this one. You know them from Amazon as well. These are quite flexy. They are quite cool, but using that with the soldering iron, it's quite stiff. We can compare like the stiffness. How do we compare it? Like, I don't know if you can see. Like, this is quite stiff compared to this one. Like, if I want to, without like permanent band, just like curve like that, that's like twice. Alright. So we have that. What else do we need? We needed, okay, power supply. What else did we have on our shopping list? USB cables. I might get some. Oh yes. Yes, power supply. So banana plug. How is it called in English? Link on Discord. Oh yes. Do you have like a set? Oh, Völkner. Oh yes. Okay, let's see. Völkner. Female ones. And this one. It's black. Yeah. Okay, let's check if we can. Does anyone have good DuPont cables? That's because like I saw I have like with my, where is it? Oh, look at that. Maybe I will show it on the main camera. Look at that. Okay, this is my digital probe connector from Zigland. And look at these things. These are basically DuPont, but they're like springy and they're so firm and nice with silicone cables. So I want basically, yeah. Oh, you got them. But I really want these connectors here. Might be shorter. I hope they are shorter, but I love like this quality. There is no doubt about the connection with these ones. No wacky stuff anymore. I hate it. Yeah, it looks custom. Oh no, the DuPont things. They have like the stupid connectors. I want like really quality. You know what, Quindar, we should make those and sell and get rich, because all people hate like this wacky crimped things. These are again those crimped. Do not want. Okay, let's try to find them. Maybe there should be some. If you can, this is a pain. Like wacky Dupont cables. How often did we? Hirschmann? Oh, what? No, what? No. What? This is no. Wait, what? Link? Which? What? No, what? What? Learning Hirschmann? ELV? Can you drop me a link, Sonic? If you have. Let's try finding those. Yeah. Bad. If I see that, I already hate it. Okay, we can get. More of those. I mean, I have so. Because they're always wacky. We wasted so many hours because we used like wacky Dupont cables here on stream. I hate it. Can you drop it on Discord, because whenever I use Twitch chat, not just the cables though. Thank you. Oh yeah, but you don't have. I mean, I have some of those here, but the female one. Yeah, I have the round ones as well, with the male ones. Oh yeah, I have also these clamps here. Whoop, whoop. I have the round ones, but they're only available for as male ones. Pogo ones? No. Not looking for pogos. Yeah. It's weird. We should basically make them. If you can't find them, you can sell them. Imagine that. No, ITT. I want female ones that are good. Look at this. We are looking for Dupont cables that are good, where you don't have any doubts about the connection. It's so firm. There is no doubt about the quality of these here. I want something like that. DGT. Okay, well, now we're talking. Challenge accepted, huh? But if you can find them, really, if we can find them at somewhere, we should really promote this. Just it doesn't show. It doesn't load. Does it load? DigiKey is so slow. I don't know why. No drift so far. F this. What is this? Should I look for the number? DigiKey DE. Oh. Let's try com. Who needs link more? Oh wait, the chat is. Here, more. You are. Wait. Here. DFG. Oh yes. Okay. You know what? You will get all. Here. ITT you get also, you can also drop links. Anyone else? Oh. The picture is bad, but it looks good. Okay. Milmax products, Polulu. These are square ones. Do not want. I don't want the crimped ones. I want the good ones, the good stuff. Oh yes. This is the receptacle I'm looking for. Look at that. That's like, this is serious business here. Milmax receptacle. Yeah, I hope this doesn't wear down too fast. But something like that. All right. Anything else before we... Oh yeah, I want to show you something. The parts will arrive, LCSC parts will arrive on Monday, remaining crystals and so on. But I got one thing here. Do you see that? That's... Oh shit. Oh no. I really don't want to bend the pins. Just tipped over the tray. Yeah, no Dupont. Dupont is like the crimp ones, but I want like... Ah, yeah, you made me look. It's not out of phase. Like the drift should be so low. I also got the quality crystals from by the way, I bought crystals with I think 8 picofarads crystals. Anyways, here are some more. That looks like a lot. This is only 60 connectors, and here are more. These are the PCI Express connectors, peeps. These are the PCI Express connectors. Focus, focus, focus. Here we go. Look at that. This is what we need to solder in like a star fashion for our something like that. And then 64 of those like that, going round and round in 60 centimeters. So we got those connectors already. I will solder them by hand. Oh yeah, soldering station. Yeah, soldering station. We wanted some micro pencil. How do we get that? We need, do we have like a tip for, I also want a knife tip for the TS80. No, what is it? What's the name of the one? Yeah, that's not the cartridges. That's this the one. That's the one you suggested. Oh, these are double station. Oh, that's the one. And you got the... Grounding. Afen. Where did you buy it? C200. Was it that? Afen. Well, I don't like the spongy things. What's this? But that's a different one. Huh? Now I'm confused. Which one? C200 or A? Nine ED. Okay. And what cartridges do you get for that? Let me just get EU plug. Add to card. What cartridges do you buy for that? Okay, let me. Oh, that's complicated already. Oh, yeah, right. I want the right. My pain is that I need a really, really, really tiny tip that's not conical. See? Yes, why not? Allegro? Oh, yes, please. Oh, really? See, okay, Allegro, I will keep that open here. Oh, wow. But is it conical? Probably, huh? Okay, I wanted, wait, I want a new, is this, yeah, okay. I don't want coupons. Okay, shop now. Stop it. So C210, no wait, C1115. Can't get the link here. The link is broken. Can you drop me the exact title? It doesn't like, probably only works for Netherlands. Is this like, is this only like this? This is the station then? Micro soldering. Maybe I should get a double, but oh wow, 300. I just get 2 of those then. Why should I get like... That's all right. I don't want to replace my soldering irons. I just want something to like rework stuff that's really tiny, like between the components where it's really tight. I just need something to be able to get rework there at all. Wrong system? What kind of system? That's too much stuff. Okay, then I want... Oh, you mean like my TS80? What system do I take then? That's just too much information now. I have like plenty of so what kind of... This is the cartridge style that C... Is this the C number? Is that like cartridge style? And I should just get a soldering iron that takes those cartridges? Which ones are the good ones? Like, I mean... SKUT12. Good for me. Yeah, I don't want more heat right now. I will just get one for the lot heat. I have already big chunkers with a lot of heat, but I want like something that's really delicate and small. I'm working with low soda temp anyways. That's old style. But old style doesn't need to... That's the cartridge style. T3A, no, T12. Okay, I will leave the link open. Okay, Quindor, thank you. That is. Oh yeah, I will mark that. C15. I will just add this. Oh wait, did I add this already? Oh no, EU. Shit. Yeah, I hope I don't full-blown JBC. Okay, I need like really tiny stuff. Yeah, holy. I will go to the embedded world, so cheaper option. I can't open the links on my streaming service. Z80 user. All right, let's. The link doesn't work. Can you drop me the name, the title, because sometimes the links don't work between the countries. Z80. That would be easier for me to work with. C20. Yeah, C220. Then I. Yes, I did. Custom copper wire wrapped around the... Okay, last link I take because that now it's overwhelming. Did we miss anything that we need for good... Oh, come on! I don't want your freaking links. Here. So annoying. SVK. Oh, yes. That. How do I open that link? What the frick? Okay, the chat. And yeah, let me add this just to the where's my card? Can I add this to the card? I don't want to buy it, I want to add it to the card. Buy now. Okay, I will know that I need to wait. Freaking unbelievable. Fairnessy. Oh, grounding issues. So which one was better? You said like I this one, hyphen whatever. Okay, let's add this. All right. Okay, I got the hyphen. All right. Perfect. Perfect. Then let's remove anything that's not good. Hyphen. That's the C. Okay, we got this twice. 2 times different price. So let's remove that. Yeah. Vela. Okay, the 80. This is now enough, I guess. Oh, this is hot air. No, gun rework. Vela. All right, spring sale. Now I'm really. Oh yeah, wait, we don't get this on Ali. Oh. Don't get that, Vela. Spitze konisch. Yeah, it's conical. Gebogen. But it's interesting, like, this is fine, 0.1 millimeters. Oh. Wait a second, look at that. Does that fit on TS yeah, that's the same. But I mean, if look at that. I mean, the TS80 has also TRS. It might be compatible, but it looks yeah, it's longer. It's longer. Okay, peeps, that's too much now. Oh no, that doesn't work. Okay, TTS is killing me right now with the links. Peeps, we are done for today. Shopping spree. Same system. Same system, maybe. Thanks for the stream. Yeah, pips. I'm happy. I think we will be. Yeah, my boosters. It's gone. No more drift. Thank you for the generous donations. No focus. No focus. No focus here. Hocus focus. No focus still. Now focus. Okay. Right. Next. Oh, that's getting warm. Why is it getting warm? It's dissipating some heat here. I should run. Yeah, I guess it might be 35 degrees C. So it's warmer than the ambient temperature. Let's say it like that. So we will have some dissipation there. Otherwise, nice job. We will do some code on that or some more design for the carrier board or whatever on Wednesday. I see how far I get. There's only SDK for the crystal capacitance. No, there's like between, I think the range is between 8 and 20 or something. You have like an basic like trace capacity of the circuit already. So they recommend like the default setting is 8, I believe, and they recommend like 12. Or is it 16? And they recommend 12 because you have like 4 picofarads of trace capacitance. But I just bought 8 picofarad crystals because these were the only ones that I were able to get for a reasonable price of Mauser. Still works. It's just like if you would have like issues getting it started, then you can probably reconfigure it, or if the stability is low, but I don't see it will get ever an issue. I rarely had stability issues. Also, like with Atmel microcontrollers, you had like to use, 12 picofarad caps. Even if I used different ones, it wouldn't like matter much. For the Wella RTP, it's a nice article. Wella RTP. Okay. RTP a day. All right. I have some things to read up. Thank you very much for the donations, for the subs, for the follows, and for joining the stream on this spontaneous Sunday stream. I see you on Wednesday. Have a nice evening, everyone. Bye-bye.